Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store and making sure actually that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi. Then let's enter the Play Store and be aware that you will be able to follow all of my steps. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you can do it right now after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. So after that, let's enter this circle, which is our account basically, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Manage, and here we've got the list of apps which we've got currently installed. So let's tap on updates available, and in my case I've got 31 updates. So if you want to, you can mark all of the apps which will appear on this list. If not, you can just choose specific options. I'll choose OneDrive, maybe Mi Video and Perplexity. Just mark the options and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.